Since the very first chapter in our history, we at Oando have been fascinated by the infinite possibilities of oil. For decades, we've worked with the most innovative minds in the field of lubrication solutions. The result was the creation of the master engine oil, Oleum. Oando Oleum is formulated to the highest specifications to meet all modern engine requirements. By maintaining its form, Oando Oleum guarantees maximum engine protection and increased fuel efficiency while delivering exceptional engine performance. Groundbreaking and environmentally friendly, Oleum is the automotive lubricant of the future. Oleum, the master engine oil.